Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
The activation wizard appears because Office 2007 has not been activated on this computer. The program will prompt repeatedly until a valid product key or activation completes. Open any Office 2007 application such as Word or Excel to start. Go to the Help menu and select Activate Product. If the Help menu does not respond, run this command in an administrator prompt. Use C/program files /Microsoft Office /Office 12 /oob /msub. exe/ to launch the activation dialog. To stop the activation pop-ups, enter your retail product key and activate immediately. Open Word, choose Help, and select Activate Product to type the key. If the Help menu is missing, open an administrator command prompt and run msub. exe/ from the Office 12 oob folder. If online activation fails, choose telephone activation and follow the automated prompts. If repeated failures occur, uninstall Office via Control Panel and reinstall, using the same retail product key. If activation still fails after reinstalling, contact Microsoft Support for guided activation help. Explain that you have a legitimate retail product key and describe any error codes shown. Support can verify key status and provide a telephone activation code when necessary. Always keep proof of purchase and your product key stored safely after resolution. Finally, avoid unlicensed copies and keep Office updated to prevent future activation prompts and maintain proper licensing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.